So now the structure of nephron. तो what is nephron? They are the functional unit of kidney. मतलब filtration का काम actually यही करते हैं. So if you look at the structure of a kidney, ये जो है ये medullary pyramids है, right? And then this is the cortex. So actually they are present like this. Millions and millions of thin tubular-like structure between the cortex and the medulla, which is called a nephron. Okay? और इसी nephron का detailed structure यहाँ पे है. So what is nephron? Nephron is definitely the functional unit of kidney, but what is it structurally? So a nephron is glomerulus plus renal tubule. Glomerulus क्या है वो हम देखते हैं. So this is the renal artery within the kidney. यहाँ से एक fine arteriole called afferent arteriole comes out, and further it sends out branches which forms a tuft of capillaries. और फिर ये बाहर निकल जा रहा है. This is called the afferent arteriole. So this tuft of capillaries is called glomerulus. It carries the blood for filtration, and then it carries the blood after filtration out here and joins the renal vein. Clear? Then comes tubule. What is the renal tubule? This is the tubular part of the nephron, and it begins from this Bowman's capsule, continues all the way up to the DCT. Okay? तो renal tubule में क्या क्या आता है? A cup shaped structure. It begins with cup shaped structure, PCT, loop of Henle, DCT. तो हम सबसे पहले देखते हैं what is a Bowman's capsule. A Bowman's capsule is double layered. Two layered cup shaped that is surrounding the glomerulus. Clear है? It continues as proximal convoluted tubule. And if you see here, मैंने यहाँ पे line बना दिया है. This is the cortex part of the kidney, and below here this is the medullary part. और यहाँ पे it is the renal pelvis part. Okay? तो हो गया Bowman's capsule. Bowman's capsule continues as proximal convoluted tubule, and then it becomes a loop of Henle. Loop of Henle is a hairpin-like structure which continues through the medullary pyramid. Now, depending upon the उसमें बाद में जाएंगे. Loop of Henle. फिर ये ऊपर आता है. It comes back to the cortical region of the kidney. थोड़ा सा मोटा हो जाता है. This is called the distal convoluted tubule. Distal convoluted tubule joins the collecting duct. Collecting duct क्या है? ये एक ऐसा duct है जिसमें the DCT of many nephrons drain their content. Clear? So collecting duct is like a बड़ा सा कहते हैं ना बड़ी सी नाली है. It's a duct like that which continues from the cortex, medulla, and then the renal pelvis. Cortex से ये शुरू हो रहा है. In the medullary region, if you see, these are other collecting ducts which are joining, and here it is called duct of Bellini. Clear है? Duct of Bellini comes, and this is the renal papillae. Just imagine this to be a medulla. Okay? This is the renal papilla. Renal papilla means बिल्कुल the tip of the medullary pyramid. फिर नीचे है minor calyx. So यहाँ से they are draining their content into the minor calyx. Minor से major calyx. Major calyx से renal pelvis, and renal pelvis से ureters. Clear? तो होता क्या है? Blood comes out. It is filtered here, and it is carried out by the afferent arteriole. Filtrate enters the Bowman's capsule. This is the path of the journey of the filtrate. यहाँ से ये ट्रैवल होके कलेक्टिंग डक्ट पे जाता है. So now this glomerulus and the Bowman's capsule here. only this part is referred to as Malpighian corpuscles या Malpighian body. Now students, please don't be confused with tubules. अगर Malpighian के बाद tubules लग गया तो that is going to be the tubular excretory organ of cockroaches या insects. Okay, so let's have a quick recap. Nephron is a combination of the glomerulus, which is nothing but a tuft of capillaries formed by afferent arteriole, and it goes out as afferent arteriole, and the tubular part of the nephron. Tubular part of the nephron begins from Bowman's capsule, continues till DCT. Clear है? And what does the renal tubule consist of? Proximal convoluted tubule, loop of Henle, DCT. Okay? अब हम वापस फिर से आते हैं इस efferent arteriole पे. Efferent arteriole, after it comes out of the glomerulus, it branches and it forms a network around the पूरा का पूरा renal tubule. पूरा network form किया हुआ है, which is called peritubular capillaries. So that network is peritubulary capillaries. Out of this, only one fine branch, remember, goes down and loops around the loop of Henle, okay, to form another U-shaped structure, and that is called the vasa recta. So vasa recta is not the entire network. Please remember these fine differences. Vasa recta is formed only by one fine branch of the peritubular capillaries. Clear है? तो होता क्या है? When blood flows here, it is under tremendous pressure, and that pressure causes filtration. The blood continues its journey down this peritubulary capillaries, and the filtrate, it enters this tubule part. यहाँ से बहुत कुछ absorb होता है और बहुत कुछ excrete भी किया जाता है, ये secrete भी किया जाता है, I'm sorry. और जो useful material है, it is again absorbed back by this vasa recta. Clear? Now, nephrons can be of two types depending on the length of the loop of Henle. मैं यहाँ पे समझाती हूँ. Now, जिन nephrons के loop of Henle extends a little into the medullary area, like ये medulla है, यहाँ पे घुस के थोड़ा सा ये निकल गया, they are called the cortical nephrons, and majority of them are of this type. But the ones in which it runs deep into the medulla, they are called juxtaglomerular nephron. Clear है? Vasa recta, reduced or absent. Here vasa recta is extensive. Clear है? So these are the two different type of nephrons that we have in our kidneys. I hope this structure is clear to you. अब हम Bowman's capsule, PCT और DCT और loop of Henle के epithelial structures को थोड़ा सा देख लेते हैं. What are they internally? Okay? Now, ये Bowman's capsule है. This Bowman's capsule is a two-layered cup-like structure. ये हो गया एक layer, ये हो गया दूसरा layer. The outer layer is called the parietal layer, and it consists of squamous epithelium. मतलब बिल्कुल चपटा टाइल जैसा epithelium, right? The inner layer is called visceral layer. और visceral layer पे ही there are special cells called podocytes. बहुत और इनके बीच में बहुत fine slit होता है for the filtrate to pass. Clear है? ये हो गया the capillaries of the glomerulus. यहाँ के they have a lining or called endothelium. और बीच में there is a non-cellular layer called basement. Clear? Now the Bowman's capsule continues as proximal convoluted tubule. तो यहाँ से PCT शुरू हो जाता है. PCT is made up of cuboidal epithelium with brush-like या brush border extensions which are called microvilli, क्योंकि इसको absorb करना है. PCT then continues into loop of Henle. नाउ द लूप ऑफ हेनले हैज टू पार्ट. पहला वाला इज डिसेंडिंग, दूसरा पार्ट इज असेंडिंग. तो पहले हम देखेंगे डिसेंडिंग. नाउ डिसेंडिंग पार्ट पे इफ यू सी द डिसेंडिंग पार्ट ऑफ लूप ऑफ हेनले, ऊपर का पार्ट थोड़ा सा थिक होता है एंड देन इट कंटिन्यूज एज अ थिन सेगमेंट. while in the ascending part पहले thin part आता है and then it becomes broader, thick. Now thick and thin में चारों के चारों में cuboidal epithelium होता है, but in the thick part some microvilli is present but the number of microvilli reduces. Microvilli maximum यहीं पे होता है. Clear है? फिर यहाँ से आ गया DCT. DCT में भी also you will find cuboidal या columnar epithelium but the number of microvilli is very less, not very less, is less and irregularly placed. Continuous इतना सुंदर से नहीं होता. वहाँ के DCT में शायद कुछ ऐसा होगा, फिर कुछ ऐसा, कोई पैटर्न नहीं फॉलो होता. Why so? Because maximum absorption यहाँ से शुरू होता है, right? जितना हो सके ये एब्जॉर्ब यहीं पे कर लेता है. एब्जॉर्प्शन कंटिन्यूज बट द अमाउंट गोज डाउन. सो ऑल क्लियर अबाउट नेफ्रॉन, इट्स फ्लो, इट्स स्ट्रक्चर, इट्स एक्सटर्नल इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर. विद दिस द वीडियो कम्स टू एन एंड हियर. आई होप आपको सारे के सारे स्ट्रक्चर्स क्रिस्टल क्लियर समझ में आए होंगे. इफ सो प्लीज लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. प्लीज डोंट फॉरगेट टू गिव अ लाइक. इट्स जस्ट द मैटर ऑफ अ थंब. बस एक थंब को क्लिक करना है. Okay, and I am going to see you very soon with the next video on formation of urine.